Hello everyone, I'm Alex and you're watching Unreal English. Today's lesson is about describing a normal day from morning to night in simple English. In this lesson, we will follow a typical day to practice everyday phrases. The language is kept clear for learners at A2 to B1 level, with short sentences and explanations as we go. We will introduce key words and use them in natural context. I wake up when the alarm rings at 7. The room feels sleepy, and I still want to stay in bed. It's a common feeling at the start of the day. After a short pause, I get out of bed and walk toward the bathroom. Those first steps begin my daily routine. In the bathroom, I look in the mirror and notice my hair looks funny in the morning. I brush my teeth with mint toothpaste and wash my face with cool water. The cold water helps me wake up. Next, I choose simple clothes and get dressed. This makes the morning easier. Then I go to the kitchen for breakfast. I eat 2 pieces of toast with butter and jam and drink a big cup of black coffee. After eating, I wash the dishes with hot water and soap. It helps me finish kitchen work quickly. Next, I check my emails on the computer and quickly skim the headlines. Since I work from home, my commute is simply walking to my desk in the next room. The setup is quiet and comfortable, not long at all. I go to my desk, turn on the computer, and prepare my schedule for the day. I am a graphic designer who creates pictures for posters, websites, and reports. I use special software to make things look good. Sometimes I have online meetings with colleagues on video calls. We talk about projects and share ideas. I eat lunch at about 12:30. Sometimes I have a simple sandwich at my desk or I go to a cafe. In the afternoon, I answer more emails and continue writing. I try to keep a steady pace and stay focused. I finish work at 5 o'clock. Then I clean my desk a little and say goodbye to my colleagues. After work, I walk to the bus stop and ride home for about 25 minutes. The bus is sometimes crowded, but I listen to music on headphones. I arrive home around 5:45 and take off my shoes and jacket. I feel tired and rest on the sofa for a moment. Later, I cook dinner or order food. Yesterday, I made pasta with tomato sauce and vegetables. After dinner, I wash the dishes again and then relax. I enjoy some quiet time before the evening ends. During my free time, I might call my parents, watch a funny series, or read a science fiction book. I like a mix of activities to unwind. I try to exercise 2 or 3 times a week, usually in the evening around 7 p.m. It helps me stay healthy and balanced. Before bed, I take a warm shower and brush my teeth again. A gentle routine helps prepare the body for sleep. I put on blue pajamas with stars and feel very comfortable. Pajamas are the clothes you wear to bed, usually soft and cozy. I get into bed and either check my phone or read a real book for a while. Reading a paper book can be better for tired eyes. When I feel sleepy, I turn off the light and fall asleep. That ends my day and starts a new one tomorrow. That is how a normal day looks from morning to night. We described routines, meals, travel, work, and rest in simple language. Now a quick recap of the new words we used today. Commute is the daily travel between home and work or study. It is a noun and can be a journey by bus, train, car, or walk. In my routine, the commute by bus lasts about 25 minutes. Colleague is a person you work with. It is a professional word, softer than friend at work. I have colleagues who share projects with me. Routine means a regular sequence of actions you do every day. My morning routine is wake up, brush teeth, get dressed, and eat breakfast. Dishes are all the things we use for eating and cooking: plates, bowls, cups, and cutlery. After meals, we wash the dishes or use a dishwasher if available. Relax is to rest and feel calm. I relax by watching TV, reading, or chatting with a friend. Free time is the time you have after work when you can choose activities you enjoy. My free time usually starts around 7 p.m. By hand means doing something without a machine. I wash the dishes by hand because I don't have a dishwasher. Habit is something you do often, almost automatically. A good habit is drinking water regularly. A bad habit is looking at your phone in bed. Great job today practicing these words. Use one or two of them in a sentence about your own day. That's all for our in-depth look at a normal day with simple English. If you want, you can replay this lesson to reinforce the new words and phrases. Hello, everyone. I'm Alex. Welcome to Unreal English. Today we begin with a simple but important topic: how you relax in the evening. This lesson helps you practice speaking and writing while sharing your daily routine. We will move through ideas step by step, keeping language clear and comfortable. Stay with me. Here at Unreal English, we don't only want you to listen. We want you to speak and write in English every day. For this reason, we include practical talking and writing practice in every lesson. Don't worry about mistakes. They are a natural part of learning. This steady practice builds confidence over time. Today's question focuses on the fun part of your day, the moments when you feel calm after work or study. What is your favorite way to relax in the evening when the day ends and you have time to breathe? Think about routines that help you unwind and recharge for tomorrow. Keep these ideas in mind as you practice the language. Many people enjoy different activities, like watching a movie, listening to music, or reading a book to unwind after a busy day. Some people cook a tasty dinner, which helps them feel calm and organized. You might also exercise gently, such as a short walk or light yoga, to release stress. And some friends play video games as a relaxing way to unwind and have fun. Remember, there are no wrong answers. This is your personal routine and your practice with English. Describe any activity that brings you peace in simple words. The goal is to practice vocabulary and clear expression. Take your time and describe it in your own words. Even if you make a small mistake, it is okay. We learn by trying, and every attempt helps you improve. Stay patient and keep practicing because small steps build real progress. Every day you practice, you gain more confidence in English. This is how steady growth happens over weeks and months. Writing about your day helps you practice vocabulary and sentence structure. It also shows how much you can describe your life in English. You will notice clearer ideas and better pronunciation as you speak aloud. With time, your writing becomes more natural and fluent. Language learning is a long journey with easy days and hard days. If your day was difficult, be kind to yourself. You are doing a great job simply by showing up and trying. Just keep going and you will feel more confident with time. Small steps every day will add up to real progress. Each new word you learn is a small victory, and every sentence you practice brings you closer to fluency. Your effort is valuable, and your daily practice builds confidence you can feel. We are proud of your progress, and we cheer for your continued growth. From me to you, thank you for spending time with us today. Your hard work matters, and you are making steady progress. Bye for now, take care, and see you next time. Come back soon to continue building your English together.